Hey guys, welcome back. We got a quick one today. We're gonna recondition. I don't know if that's right. We're gonna fix our AirPods. I get this stuff from my kids all the time. They say this stuff doesn't work. It's broken. Here, you can have it. I bought new ones. What can I say? These kids today. So one thing I found, these AirPods came to me from my son. That they basically said one of them didn't work. So look at this. There's even crud in this now. Ugh. You can, if you can see that well. There is basically they just need cleaned. All you got to do is clean these really well. Let me show you how I clean mine. You got to be very, very careful. These are delicate, delicate things. Everything Apple makes, in my opinion, is delicate, but we won't get into that. But there's several sensors, several things that just kind of trip these things up and just make them think they're not working. So we got to clean them all out. One thing I like to use is a toothpick for the really tough stuff, I'll call it, right? You want to be very careful with your toothpick, right? Because it can puncture these. These are screens, and you can kind of dig the gunk out with these like this. I'm hoping you guys can see that okay. Let me come over here. You can dig the stuff out with those like this. These are very delicate. These are the microphone side. There's a little bit here you can clean off. This side right here, it gets gummed up a lot. So anyway, get the big stuff off with a toothpick. The small stuff, and what you do often, I would say very often, you need to clean these things, is I just take an old toothbrush that I use to clean my watches, all these other small parts, and I just brush them out. I just brush the gunk out of it. And it comes off pretty easily once you get a good cleaning done. Now, let me explain. When these worked on one ear and not the other, it took several cleanings. I think I cleaned these for about a week solid like this, just over and over. They'd work for a little while, they'd stop. I'd keep doing it. I'm pretty sure my son never cleaned these. It probably was the problem. So, like I say, you just go like this, you get it, and sometimes you get gunk out with the brush, and you just take this toothpick and you go around the edge, but be very careful of that toothpick, right? The brush is a little more forgiving if you have a fine, soft bristle brush like this one that I use to clean all the watches and everything with, but really it's just going over it over and over. And now, sometimes you'll have so much gunk in there that, it doesn't really make a difference. So here's what I use. I don't know if you can see that. It's 91% isopropyl alcohol. So I'll put that in a little bowl, and then like I have right here off to the side, I'll dip my brush in it and just clean it some more. Now, the reason why I use 91% is because it evaporates pretty fast. So it's not going to get into the electronics and stay there and ruin everything. At least not if you don't put too much on. If you soak these in alcohol, yeah, that's a problem. So you want to be very light in your alcohol application, and you can always increase that more and more each time, especially if they're already broken, right? But I have been able to recover almost every set of AirPods from my kids that come to me. Now, would I take these from other people? That's up to you, but it's really kind of gross. So, what's in your ears is in here. So anyway, just a quick one. I actually also clean the case out this way. The case is pretty rotten, and then I'll dig, out with the toothpick here and just kind of tap it out and get it all clean there too. So, quick video today, guys. If you've tried this and you think it didn't work, keep trying. Every time I do this, it just takes several tries, and now they're working great. They work for me great. I know when they're dirty, when I get on a call with somebody or something, they say, hey, you sound like you're in a tunnel. You sound far away. I'm like, well, my AirPods are dirty again. Okay, let me clean those out. But anyway, guys, that's where we're at. Just a quick one. Wanted to share that with you on how I fix these. Again, very delicate. They're very delicate. Be very careful when you clean these. One of these, I actually knocked the screen out. Had to be creative and get it back in there. That was a pain when I did that one time. So, but yeah, just keep cleaning them. And then don't forget to clean the contacts down here where they charge, to wipe those off. If they're not charging or whatever. But anyway, guys, that's where we're at. That's what I've done. Thanks for watching. Quick one. We will see you next time.